Still stuck answering clients' questions one by one like 1999? That's killing your time and your business growth. But I get it. You're juggling clients onboarding, marketing, follow-ups manually, you're online all day just to keep up, and it's exhausting. Maybe you're running retargeting ads or trying to respond faster, but here's the truth. None of that fixes the core problem. You're still stuck doing everything yourself, one client at a time. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to automate your business so you can serve more clients, make more sales, and reclaim your time. Now, here is how automate your business with AI system works, and I'll walk you through it so you can do this too. Now, you will get a full guide. What you'll do next is just make sure that you open this tab, and then you can choose the module that fits your business, because this is a 12 module guide. So you can scroll down and definitely go through the introduction bit of it, and then you go down and choose the module that fits you. So we start by understanding automation, then you go to email marketing. That's what you're looking to automate. WhatsApp automation, Instagram and Facebook DM automation, Pinterest automation, sales funnel automation, client onboarding automation, calendar and appointment automation. We also have e-commerce automation, customer support automation, and analytics smart reporting. Okay, so what you'll do is follow the step-by-step explainer that breaks down exactly what to do. No guesswork, no tech headaches. Okay, so for example, if you go to like e-commerce automation, click on that, it opens this. And then, so this is automation will help you manage the abandoned cart flows, product recommendation bots, and order tracking fulfillments. Okay, so when you go down here, scroll down from the left bar. Okay, so here is the introduction part of it. So in this module, you will recover lost sales with automated cart reminders, send automated product recommendation, automate order confirmation, shipping updates, delight your customers with smooth, touch-free systems. Okay, so then once you set this up, you'll be able to have a store that works 24/7. And the tools that we are recommending are Shopify for physical and digital products, most automation options built in. We have the WooCommerce for WordPress. We have Klaviyo. We have Reconvert, Tidio or Octane AI. Okay, so these are the step-by-step workflows. So the first step is abandoned cart recovery emails. So this is how our system works. You're going to send, once someone abandons the cart, within 1 hour, you're going to send an email like, oops, did you forget something? Another one, 24 hours later, your cart is still here. Number 3, email after 2 days, still interested, here is 10% off. Okay, so and you're going to automate this in a way that you don't have to click a button. Once you set it up, it will do everything for you. So use agency plus product photos to bring them back, so the client can remember this is what I'd seen through the photo, and it will entice them to go back to your website and most likely make a purchase. So the tools tip: Shopify, use build automation or Klaviyo. WooCommerce, use automate Woo or Cartflows. So step 2 is order confirmation plus shipping updates. Automatically send order confirmation immediately they buy, and then shipping notification once fulfilled. Delivery confirmation, how do we do? Make a follow-up with the clients. Then you also you can automate personalized product recommendation using AI, recommend similar products after purchase. You can send, you might also love after 5 or 7 days of purchase, offer bundles or upsell in the cart or the checkout page. And the tools for these are Shopify, Octane or Klaviyo. We have step 4, set up review retention flow. After 2 weeks, you send this email, how you do, how are you loving the products? And then also ask clients to leave a review or tag you on Instagram. You can also have this option to offer 10% discount for review or referral. Okay, so we're giving you this templates that you can template emails that you can use. For example, you left something behind. Hey, first name of the client, looks like you are checking out this product. Did something come up? No worries, your cart is still saved and waiting for you. Then you put your cart link there. All this is automated. Once you set it up, it's gonna be done for you. And this applies to all physical products and digital products as well. So you also get a template on order confirmation. You get a template for post-purchase follow-up. This is how you win clients for life. So you're going to then download and plug in the ready-to-use templates and swipe files to start automating immediately. So once you get here, you're going to open this. It has the email templates that you can use to grow your business. This is for e-commerce. You note that we have all others that I mentioned earlier, and each one of it has a swipe file that comes along with the step-by-step guide. Now, this isn't a theory of love. It's a proven system with tools, tutorials, and templates designed for business owners who want real results without wasting time. You don't have to be a tech wizard. Just follow the steps and watch your business run smoothly. Drop the word automation below if you want me to send you the Freedom Biz Automation freebie right now. Or if you're ready to skip the freebie and dive into the full automate your business with AI system, just send the message ready and I'll get you set up. See you on the next one.